Meaning of gin trap.
Gin trap.
Gin trap.
Gin trap.
Gin trap. A gin trap is a type of mechanical trap used for catching animals, often small mammals such as rabbits or rodents. It consists of spring-operated jaws that are designed to snap shut on an animal's leg when triggered. The purpose of the trap is to immobilize the animal, making it easier for the hunter to kill or capture it. However, gin traps can cause serious injury or even death to non-target animals such as domestic pets or protected wildlife. They have been widely banned or restricted in many countries due to their inhumane nature.